Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well, and as I have repeated that in many of my videos, get yourself registered. Get yourself registered for vaccination. Get yourself vaccinated. That is for your benefit, your family members' benefit, and the society as a whole. You being vaccinated can do phenomenal things in life because your life is very precious. So do value life, do get vaccinated whichever place vaccine is available currently in nearby area, and get yourself vaccinated. And as you know that OPSC has not declared the date. Many of the aspirants are asking me when will be the date. When I will be making a video in 1 or 2 days, then do see that particular video. For my new YouTube subscribers, we have started a dedicated test series. Master key test series. 40 high quality GS paper 1 sets we are providing at 599 rupees. If you are interested, do join our test series without delay. Bring seriousness to your head as well as your action, so that you can crack this particular exam easily. Our high quality test series are very much will be helpful for you. If you really see it, you will definitely get the help from our test series. We are giving adequate importance to current affairs. We are giving adequate importance to all sections equally, so that no particular section gets so much of importance, and you will be feeling after coming back from prelim exam, you will feel how it was helpful. And apart from that, we have already started a crash course from 16 March onwards. In 2 months subscription, we are providing all the important sections of prelim syllabus. If you want it, you can join it. It will cost you 798 rupees. And today we will be doing more CSAT paper, more of this particular thing. And many of the YouTube subscribers, they are saying that which book is good for preparation of CSAT. R.S. Agarwal. I recommend R.S. Agarwal. Buy that particular book. That is a wonderful book for CSAT. It is going to be very, very helpful. So let's start today's discussion. If the following series is written in reverse order and then all the vowels deleted, which will be the 8th letter from the right in new series? They are saying that they have given a series that A to Z. Now they have then the order is reversed. In reverse order, you have to write from Z to A. Z to A you have written. Now the vowels, you know what is vowels? That is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U is deleted. A, E, I, O, U is deleted. Now, which will be the 8th letter from the right in the series? You have to count the 8th letter from the right. Always read this particular condition. 8th letter from the right. It is not this right. If you will see from this side, this is the right. But if you will see from your side, this is the right. So you have to count from 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You see, if this particular thing satisfy the condition given in the question. See, you have written it in the reverse order, post which you have deleted the vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, you have deleted. Now you have to count which one will be from the right. Right is from this right, and you can see that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. K is 8. That is answer is K. C is the answer. Now Now coming to the next question, out of the following, find the odd one out. They are asking odd one out also in the OPSC Prelim examination CSAT paper. So you can see flower, stem, branch and roots. Stem, branch and roots. They are a part of a, you can say, the total system of trunk as well as the total stem and root. They are totally a different section. These three are totally different from flower. Flower is totally different. So the answer is A. Now coming to the next question, if the first and the fifth letter in the word bilingual, the word given is bilingual. Now interchange also the second and sixth and so on. The catch here is so on. So on means you have to keep on changing the words. Then the letter, the first and the fifth letter continuously changing. Which one will be the following? Will be the seventh letter from your right. Seventh letter from the right they are asking. First you have written the bilingual. Now they are saying that first and fifth letter. First and fifth letter. These two are interchanged. Now the second and sixth letter. Second and sixth letter. Then what they are also saying so on means you have to change this. Change this. Then next change this. After changing this, what will be the next one you will be getting? NGUABILIL. NGU, N, then G, then U, then A, then B, it went there, ILIL. You got this particular thing. Now find out which one of the following would be the seventh letter from your right. Our right we have known in the for this particular question that we have to count from this side. If it is saying our side, you have to count from this side. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6 and 7. It is 7. So U is the seventh letter from our right. Then you can see A, I, G. These three are not the seventh letter. Then which will be the answer? The answer is none of this. Because you see the U is the seventh letter from the right. Now coming to the next question, which of the following that doesn't belong to the others in the group? There is a group and you have to find out which one is not belong to the same group. Now you see cloth, plastic, thread, cotton. You can see thread, cotton is a part of, you can say, cloth. Cotton is also a wearable thing. Then thread is the cotton thread in which the clothes are made. Then cloth is also a wearable thing. Now plastic is totally different. The answer here is B. That is plastic. Plastic is totally different from the other three in the group. These are the odd man out is very easy and interesting. You have to look deeply which one is the different from others and try to find out. It is very easy to find out. So do practice this kind of a CSAT questions and the reasoning part. It will be very helpful. Your target should be how I can easily crack the CSAT paper, so that my paper 1 will be evaluated. That should be your target. And I hope you people are focusing on your main preparation by this intervening time when OPSC has not declared the dates. Keep on following your optional paper, your main preparation by this particular time. The moment OPSC declares, you are supposed to be totally shifting to prelim preparation. And if you are interested, do join our test series. It is going to be very helpful. say hi, I am interested in your test series in my email address abishoi27@gmail.com. My email address is there in the description and you can check it out in the about section too. Thank you very much. Happy learning.